When it's ambiguous, reverse order of operations. Welcome to aritutorsmath. Hello, and welcome to aritutorsmath. Do you ever look at an algebra problem and think, I don't even know where to start? Today I'm going to be giving you a repeatable mindset that will help you solve any algebra problem where they ask you to solve for x. Let's go. Here we have a lot going on. I see a 5 here. I see a 2 up here. I got -5. I've got the square root inside something that's squared. I don't know where to start. Here's the technique. Zoom out and look for the thing that's farthest away from the x. X is right in here. The thing farthest away on the left-hand side is this -5. Next part of the technique, undo. Once we zoom out and find the thing that's farthest away, we have to undo it. Here we're subtracting 5. The way we undo that is adding 5. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Now, what is the next farthest thing away from x? It's either going to be this 5 or this 2. Here's the trick. If you're not sure, do reverse order of operations. We are undoing, so we're going backwards. We're going to reverse the order of operations. So that means that multiplying is going to come before exponent. We know typically PEMDAS tells us that exponents come before multiplying. Since we're undoing, we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to divide by 5. That's how we undo this multiplication. We're going to divide everything by 5. So this takes us here. What is the next farthest thing away from x? That would be the 2. Exponent. Okay, we're squaring. How do we undo squaring? We take the square root. Next, what is the farthest thing away from the x? That would be this -2. How do we undo subtraction? With addition. +2 plus 2.
And we're left with square root 3x squared plus 20 over 2 equals 4.
Now, what is the farthest thing away from the x? That would be the square root that's surrounding it. When we zoom out, that is the thing that's enveloping the entire expression. That's what we have to undo next. How do we undo a square root? By squaring. That's the opposite process. So we're going to square everything. And we get
3x squared plus 20 over 2 equals 16.
Next, what is the farthest thing away from the x? Well, it's the thing that's separated by a line, that 2. What is the 2 doing? It's dividing the x. How do we undo division? With multiplication. Times 2 times 2.
3x squared plus 20 equals
2. Now, what's the farthest thing away from the x? The +20. So we're going to do -20 on both sides. Got 3x squared equals 12. Now we've got another situation where it's ambiguous, and I told you when it's ambiguous, reverse order of operations. So we're going to deal with the 3, the multiplier first. It's multiplying by x. We have to divide to get rid of it. So we're dividing everything by 3. We get x squared equals 4. Now obviously we have to undo the square, which is taking the square root, and we get x equals plus or minus 2. The key takeaways are that you have to zoom out and undo. That is the secret sauce. If anybody is looking for private tutoring, or if you come across a difficult or interesting math problem that you think would be good for this channel, email aritutorsmath@gmail.com. Have an awesome day.